You guys better believe it. How's it going, guys? I'm Stephen. Thank you for tuning in to our daily dog adventure with the big gang on Thursday the 7th of April. It's the afternoon. We have 7 dogs, 2 pointers, 3 curlies and 2 terriers. So far so good. It's freezing in Edinburgh today. We had snow or sleet this morning, so wrapped up. But a couple of laps of the woods that we're in just now will surely warm up the cockles. Stay with us, we'll show you all the fun. I've not lost, but Lottie and Biscuit are behind. And I just know they're going to start barking at each other when I call them. Yeah, you make sure she stays with us, buddy. Thank you, Lottie. Good girl. Good boy. Good. It's your pal! Hello, Blossom! I knew I could hear you. I knew I could hear. Oh, look, you've set Barney off. I love it. I love it, sweetie. Good girl, good girl. Why are we all so excited? Hey, where's Frodo? Who's sitting next? Ah, Blossom. We're in her turf. She lives near here too, so there's always a chance we're going to bump into her. We'll see more of Blossom tomorrow on tomorrow's walk. Make sure you tune in for that one. She is so much fun on the walks. She's absolutely brilliant. She gets on well with you, sweetie, doesn't she? Yes. What's up here? Up. Good boy. Up. No, no, no. Come on. Up. This way. Yeah, good boy. Come on. Come on, yeah. Good boy. Whatever. You're so good. Yeah, she can't go underneath it. The challenge is to jump it. You guys, who can jump it? The pointers are off. You must have found some prey. Max! I know. And here's your partner in crime, found us as well. That took you all but 10 seconds to find us, guys. Thank you. If I ever go missing, ever, you two need to be part of the search party. We've just met a couple of people who bump into quite regularly with their dogs, and they've just told me, I'm scanning the horizon here, there's people up ahead with a cat on the lead, and they're taking their cat for a walk. Great. That's the kind of nonsense that caused my friend to quit being a dog walker. She can't put up with things like this anymore. The cat is up ahead. Did you guys? Free. Yeah. Hello. You can have a stroke. Yes, you can. Yes. Yes, I know. I'm not coming in the water. But you guys are getting your paws clean. Alright guys, that wraps us up for another afternoon. I'm off home to add cat on a lead to my risk assessment. Who would have thought it? Anyway, hope you've enjoyed today. We've had good fun. If you have, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. We'll see you on the next walk. Take care.